Okay, this is a lock with a free spin. Okay? So you're actually going to turn her and let go of her and then catch her when she faces you. Make sure you do not miss the hand. Okay, so here we go. First we're going to do a sugar push. 1, 2, tap, step, lock with the turn. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, tap, step, 1, 2, 3. So it means you have to grab that hand. Okay. Again. Ready? And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, tap, step, 1, 2, 3. Good. This way. Ready? This way then. Ready? And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hold her back. 1, 2, 3. And then let it go.
No.
Yeah, again. And